Here's pre-calc. This is problem 7-66, and it said so-and-so is trying to, remember the law of cosines, but they can't remember what goes right here. Is it a 2 or a 1? We know that it's a 2, but the book suggests that we use an equilateral triangle to remind ourselves what number is it. Is it c squared is a squared plus b squared minus 1ab cosine c, or is it c squared is a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cosine c? We know it's 2, but let's go ahead and take the suggestion the book gave us. So to an equilateral triangle, I'm thinking of like my 30, 60, 90, or anyway, I'm thinking of, we know that the angles have to be 60, so I decided to just let the sides equal 1, because that's the easiest number to let them equal. And then we can plug in for the, all the parts that we know, so like, the sides. Anyway, I just plugged in my 1s for my sides, and I plugged in my 60 for my angle, and then I'm leaving this little squiggly line. This is the thing we don't know. Like, we think it's 2, but we don't know. So then 1 squared is 1. If I add those two up, I get 2. Cosine of 60 is a half, so that's where that half came from. It's 1 times cosine 60 is just a half. And then you can kind of look at it and go, well, what makes this true? I'd have to go 2 minus 1 for it to equal 1 over there. So the only number so this number has to be 2. It has to, because now if I work it out, then I have 2 minus 2 times a half is 1, so then I have 1 equals 1, and that's true. So we know that the law of cosines looks like this, and that's what I think they wanted you to do for this problem.